The evidence from the Viking orbiters in the summer of 1976 looks positive. The picture above clearly shows the remains of a human-type face looking up into the Martian sky. The picture released by NASA caused the birth of countless stories of ancient aliens leaving us messages on Mars. Probes and orbiters since have rephotographed the face, and it looked like the original 1976 image was nothing more than a trick of the light and shadows. More recent pictures in the last few years have reopened the debate, and new photos show the face to be sitting alongside a number of pyramid remains. Some ancient alien theorists now claim these recent pictures show final proof that aliens visited Mars in the distant past, and left a message on Mars for the future Earthlings, us, to discover. It is hoped the current Mars rover mission will examine the features, and send back final proof of ancient aliens. However, the overhead images of the Cydonia pyramids as seen by Viking and aerial photos of the Egyptian pyramids are strikingly similar. Could the structures on both planets have been constructed by the same ancient civilization? Proponents of the theory claim that the face on Mars was similar in many respects to the Egyptian Sphinx. Was some ancient race of beings present on both Earth and Mars? Did the same race seed both planets with intelligent life? The possibility was staggering in its implications. If it were true, it would change everything we had previously believed about the origin of life on Earth, the history of human civilization, and possibly our place in the universe. Who could have built it? Could it be possible? Could the face be a gigantic monument erected by an alien race? And if it were an alien race that built it, why did it look so human? Other discoveries near the face on the Cydonia plateau were perhaps clues to the identity of the builders and their relationship to life on Earth. Just west of the face is a collection of odd features that also looked like they might be artificial. There were pyramids and a complex of structures that advocates were calling the city. Pyramids, of course, automatically make us think of ancient Egypt, which has long conveyed its own mystique. Even before the discovery of the pyramids on Mars, certain fringe groups theorized that the pyramids of Egypt were built by, or at least with the assistance of, aliens. So when these pyramids were seen on Cydonia, the face gained even more credibility in some circles. What about the idea that it was built by the same beings who engineered the amazing structures at Giza? Is there any ancient monument on Earth that is built in the same way that the Martian face supposedly was? For one thing, the face is huge. It measures roughly 1.5 miles, 7,920 feet, long, 1.2 miles, 6,336 feet, wide, and is approximately 0.3 miles, 1,584 feet, tall. By comparison, the base of the Great Pyramid at Giza measures just 756 feet on a side. Also, if the Mars face were an artificial structure, it's unusual in that it looks straight up into the sky. On Earth, human likenesses in the form of statues and great carvings like the Sphinx were created in a standing or upright sitting position so they could be appreciated by viewers on the ground. On Mars, viewers of the face, partly because of its large dimensions, would have difficulty discerning its features. Because they couldn't really see it, wouldn't it have been virtually meaningless to them?